In the name of Allah, the most kind, the most merciful, we are again going to start our live stream. About how to start your template library. In last live stream, we have stopped at top 5 template categories every person should have. And now we are going to continue with our next topic, that is how to start your template library. For those who have joined us now, give your name in the chat box, participate in the live stream, and give your feedback about the live stream. So let's start and let's build your first library right now. You can keep it in your Google Docs, Notion, or you can do it in Notes app builder, or a folder, or a simple text file, a Word document, or a physical notebook. Your library should include template name, purpose, full template, example use cases, tags. So let's build one simple version and one advanced version. We are starting with a basic. Here we have the beginner template library structure. We are going to show on the screen. Wait for a second. Here is the first template where it shows the name, that is a simple explanation. Use is learning task, and here's the template that include the role, that is you are a friendly teacher. Then the task, that is explain whatever task or topic you want to explain. Then the tone, it will be simple, and the format is one paragraph. So that's the first prompt you can use for simple explanation. Now we will move towards the advanced template library structure. We can show it on your screen. Wait for a second. And we will show it on your screen. Wait a little bit. And here we have the second template you can store in your library for the further usage. Let me tell, can you view it? Let me make its font a little bigger so you can easily see it. So you can save it in your library. Here is the template name, that is expert breakdown. Category is again learning. It can be used for mastering difficult topics. Here is the template where you say the role, you are a subject matter expert. Your objective is to teach me this concept with the depth. Then here is the context where you say my background level, that may be 5th grade, 6th grade, or you can say it, explain me it for 10-year-old. Then you can say it, my goal. Then give the challenge. Here you can give the constraint where you would say avoid any unnecessary jargon or include a real world example to get better explanation of any topic. Then you can set the tone of the prompt where you say make it professional but accessible. Then you can give it a format, that's a explanation, analogy, or 3 practical example, and give me mini quiz. So you see here are all the ingredients we have discussed in our previous live stream, where you have to add the role, task, tone, format for all your campaigns or prompts. So you see all those are included in these prompts. So these are the basic and advanced level prompts you can use for any topic for your learning. So if we take an example of a universal template, let me copy and paste it for you on the screen so you can see it, how to build a better prompt that can be used later. Wait for a second and I will paste it for you. So here is another template that is a universal template. You can save it in your notepad or a Google Docs or get a screenshot of it, where we have defined the role. You are a friendly explainer. Your task is to teach me this topic. Then here you will get the context. I am new to this. I need simple words. Then you will get the format. That's 3 paragraph explanation, 1 analogy, 1 real world example, and quick 3 quiz question. Let's see if we move towards the next prompt, that is super rewrite. Or for you, I can give a demo how it will work. Wait for a second. We move to ChatGPT and we will give it a prompt where we will say let me remove that. Teach me about climate change, and in context we will say I am new to this. I need simple words, and then there is the format, 3 paragraph explanation, 1 analogy, and press enter. Let's see how it brings results for us. So here it has given us the 3 paragraph explanation about the climate change. Then it has also given us the analogy, then the real life example, and given us the 3 quiz question about what we have learned till now in these 3 paragraphs. So this way you can format your prompts to get better results and what the professionals do. Now we are moving towards our next template, that is super rewrite. Let me copy and paste it. Here is the prompt where we have given the role. You are a professional editor. Your task is to rewrite this text to be clearer and more engaging. Then here is the context. It should be suitable for, you can give the audience what your target audience is. Then you can give the tone. It can be friendly, formal, professional, and any other thing you want. Then here would be the format you provide. We need an improved version. Give it in the bullet list of what you need. So in this way you can get quicker results with the pre-templates of these prompts, which makes your work more easier. So those who have joined us now, give your feedback in the chat box what you have learned till now. Are you learning something new with these prompts we are giving to you? With that, we are moving towards our next template, that is the idea machine. Let me copy and paste for you so you can see it on the screen. Here we have the next prompt template you can use in your daily tasks. Wait for a second. Wait a second and I will show it live on your screen. It's pasted on your screen, where we say your role is you are a creative brainstorm partner. Your task is to generate new ideas for, we can give any topic. Then here is the context that says include unusual and unexpected suggestions. The format should be list of 10 ideas, one detailed expansion, and a one quick next step plan. So this way you can get better results with the pre-templates. You can use these prompts yourself. Now we are moving towards the templates mistakes to avoid. That's very important. I will show this on your screen live now. Just wait a second. Wait for a second and I will give you the common mistakes people made in these templates or building their own prompts. This is important because it will save you a lot of time and effort. Wait for it and we will show it live on your screen. Here are most people who think they are using templates make these mistakes because they make it too vague, too short, or they may be missing the context. They don't define the tone of the prompt, or they don't give the format instructions. They add overlay long instructions or give conflicting directions. Also forget the constraint or forgetting the goal. So this all make the prompt as a bad prompt that lead to waste your time and efforts. With that, we are moving towards our next part, that is turning natural questions into structured prompts. So let's see what is a natural question. A natural question is the way a normal person talks to AI without thinking. For example, we say explain gravity or help me with homework, write an email for me, make this better, tell me something about dinosaurs, or give me ideas, or make a schedule. These questions are not wrong, but they are vague, missing context, missing tone, missing goal, and missing output format, unpredictable. So the AI must guesses your meaning, and when the AI guesses, you get random quality or not focused results or specific results. But today there is no more guessing. The fourth step conversion method is here for you. This method professionals use to turn messy human language requests into a clean, structured prompts. It's simple, beginner friendly, and powerful. So here are the 4 steps. In step 1, we identify the user's real intention. Ask yourself, what does this person actually want? If we get an example, I need an email. Its users wants help writing something, and intention is writing a system. Then in the next step is to identify the missing pieces. We look for the missing elements. It could be a role, it can be a text, context, tone, or format. Almost always 3 of these are missing. The next step is to fill in the missing element by adding the purpose, audience, tone, and tell what the email is about, the level of detail and structure. You can insert in the info step, you can insert the request into a template. Pick from your library. It can be golden template, kid friendly template, advanced template, or it can be a writing template. If we take an example of a natural question, we say explain volcanoes. Now what's missing in that? You didn't define the role of it. What's the context, the tone, format, and audience level? Now if we fill in the elements, it would be, you are a friendly science teacher. Explain how volcanoes work. And we can add a context that say explain it for a 10-year-old in a use simple words, includes why a volcano erupts, and also add the tone. It can be fun and easy to understand, and give the format. So let's see how it works. Initially we give a prompt to the chat GPT and say